Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 53 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features of this vehicle. And if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So you'll see AMG badging and styling throughout the vehicle here. It comes in a black exterior. We've got a black interior, some really nice red accent stitching. We've also got some carbon fiber accent trim. And you've also got the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded surround sound speaker package. So we've got that contrasting red stitching on the seats. You'll also notice the red seat belts throughout. And more AMG badging right here. Huge panoramic sunroof there. AMG styled steering wheel, again with more of that red accent stitching. And hopping inside, we do have a push button ignition. And once again, you'll see more of that carbon fiber accent trim. Another quick look at our steering wheel. And here is our touchscreen display. Currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. Below your display, we've got our climate controls here. We've also got a menu here so you can access climate controls using your touchscreen display. And again, it is a touchscreen, so you can just, use it just like that. We also have other controls. You got controls right here on your steering wheel. And you've got another set of controls here in your center console with this touchpad here. While we're here, you do have your dynamic select switch here to switch between the different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You also got your camera button here, so you can access the different cameras even if you're not actively backing up. Got your vehicle settings, some quick access buttons here for navigation and radio and whatnot. And then we have a few additional buttons down here. This one will change the chassis height. So you can see I just flipped that up, and now currently the vehicle is rising. So it'll be a little bit taller, which is kind of cool. You've also got some different suspension modes and your powerful exhaust or balanced exhaust switch here. Last but not least, we have our shifter. We also should point out the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle. It's all fully customizable within our menu system here. You'll just go over to comfort and then ambient lighting, and then you can change color, brightness, do multi-colors or single colors. There's even some effects when you, for example, make adjustments to your climate. It'll flash red when you go a little hotter, or flash blue when you go cooler. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. Looking at our rear seats here next. And a quick look up at the sunroof. And another peek back up front. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our AMG, Mercedes-Benz and GLE 53 badging. Your power opening and closing trunk. And push button to close. The backup camera for this vehicle is also located right here within the trunk button there. Just kind of a neat feature, so your camera is always clean, even on a rainy day. You flip that into reverse and always be clean and ready for you. So Anyway, this is the 2021 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 53. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.